What's up, guys? My name is Marcel. Today I'm just going to show you guys the one of the cheapest cold air intakes for the 10th gen Accord from 2018 to 2021. So pretty much, what's it called? I got this car about a month ago, and when I got it, I really wanted a cold air intake because, you know, turbo, whoosh sounds and everything. So I'm like, all right, you know, I got to get myself a cold air intake. I went on eBay, I went on Amazon, everything was like, it was stupid expensive. It was like $300 for anything. And I'm like, well, you know, I just got this car. I want to, like, you know, make sure I like the sound and everything. So I went online and what's it called? And I was just looking around. There's this one video of a guy who had this, which is pretty much what the whole cold air intake is. It's a $30 adapter just so you can plug your mass airflow sensor in to be able to put a cold air intake on it. So it's pretty much a $30 adapter and a $50 K&N intake. You can put whatever other intake you want on it. Spectre. I didn't want to put Spectre because I've heard like some shitty stuff about their intakes. But people put all different types of intakes on these cars, and like just, you know, onto that like adapter in general. I personally put the cold air intake on it, put the K&N cold air intake on it. And pretty much what I did is, this is super self-explanatory. This just completely wiggles around. I mean, like, I haven't had a single issue. I've put 3,000 miles on the car. I put the cold air intake literally in at like 200 miles. This is the stock place where the air goes in, and then it goes down this pipe down, and then it gets sucked in through there. So pretty much for, you know, the people calling this a hot air intake, it's really not. It's pretty much how a stock intake pretty much is. It literally just goes in through stock placement and gets more air from, like, you know, the engine bay. So it might be a little hotter, but overall you still get the whoosh sounds and everything. And honestly, it is not that bad whatsoever. You know, I haven't had any issues with it. So yeah, pretty much that's it. I just, you know, wanted to make a video about like the cheapest cold air intake. I'm gonna leave the link to the eBay listing in the description, and to an Amazon cold air intake. I got mine at O'Reilly's, but to be honest, they're cheaper on Amazon from what I found out, because I got mine at O'Reilly's. I thought I got a pretty good deal on it because I know the guys there, so they gave me one of the discounts. But they're pretty much cheaper on Amazon. What's it called? Also, the adapter on eBay says it's a 2.75 inch, but I have a 3-inch K&N intake, which works perfectly fine. Like, there's no issues with it whatsoever. At first I was a little bit weary, like, I don't know, there might be issues, there might be some of this, some of that, but there really wasn't, to be honest. So yeah, so I'll just give you guys some clips right now of how it sounds and everything. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the cold air intake, just the cheapest one. You know, help out the community. So yeah, just give you guys some clips, and that's about it. Thanks.